Mama wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching
UTV for yakrama wokra de wo no wo ye senchiro ni bi a mansusu da se wo obeya true force because wo mo bruni pa ba ene wo yakrama UTV wo true for papa oba won kan okre yakrama of UTV United Television yakrama asem na making o ya true for papa me free e follow wunyene oba UTV fufuro and then make up na ma wa ya oba yakrama me de wona eka me no na eka sa no mo sorry free SHS and central for no bia mo Ghana mo ya bonsamfo mo ya Ghana atamfo mo ya Gyimifuo e man na woman kwa de no mo em banwa e man na woman no te say wo ya akrama ne sa ya TTV no wa ye botu abum se pan no a esu afom no central for e memma no kura na o ma adwen nyanka mo ma no mo nya badai kaka and now we are grammar who defended sanitary pad. I teach a school for ma and kwala. Yakrama wadwin yajuma wabodam. Ghana sika unya jona hama bottom sika. Ghana sika u and ya peja at the amoba for say your only business the contract of a sanitary pad. 24-hour economic way into one among yakrama. Sika kofa sanitary pad no. Etimiye bibi ema yen youth no enye blibidi. School no me power secondary school e bema sanitary pad for so bema ba so ma no we yakrama wo justify sani ma funu a esa ye NDCT wo yakrama sorry tia free SHS wo kasa mu na wo kasa tia free SHS and na sabofo ni nyesika wo betimi ahwe wo school yakrama wa dwenya dwuma wa bodam mon central for mo Ghana mo ya Ghana tamfo ma dwenya dwuma the president GJ president ne kwa no kasate se de na adwin petrogu na adwin o kasate se de petrogu na adwin mon kan no kore mo ye hypocrite mo Ghana central for mo ye hypocrite as a Ghana no mo no Ghana de mo bi di ya bribe no ye ma musika shi mo botomo na mo kan kwase asem because mo fi se Ghana for ajimi Movies are gonna phone you answer. Mon shenya maye na bre mo betimo kakanka. Mo central for mo Ghana.
Oh, Miss Bell. Ebe ye why mensro. Mo hu se mo di achi kota NDC achi dada youth. Youth na mo di MPP achi na NDC achi na adwuma be na mo. Adwuma be na ama mo. Position be na ama mo. Ye yusu mu utwantro e posti no ma social media de na mo ye wo enem panifo bi na de mo o girls no akotena akoso mo ya nwewo a na ama o kakra because adwuma na sa miss bo hwe bra wo bre nyina won se ya ma wadwuma Lydia Force adwuma na be Dumas adwuma be no ye Slay Queens be bria ya ma mo position adwuma be no mo ye o ho a o bobra me niate which me criticize me niate me nguhu fi won hu wada Slay Queen no maame no de ode papa no bae no so ye adwuma won se amani bi ye mudi etwa ntro kire mu creative arts black star experience ene ko so okwawu no de na ekoso hwin si ye kwawu foru no de na beba hwin pem ye foru naba but de na mudi ja kwawufuo no ene laze de na mudi ja wo ye miense san yesuba ne ma o ma no ye ema ho ba obi ye na huntumi nya memfa ntro eni echi men senkrofo John Dramani select the right people and the people omo ye adwuma no mo adwuma ni bi nye enye wonko na obedi sisi no enye wunua na ye wunua yire enye basano ma wonya won atake na nado won enne won se no ho na wakoso nkoboa wo ne ko hu tumfo ene kufuo na omo solve that one problem now. Let's learn to appreciate everybody. Why we are
DC has a political committee in their party, and whatever their people in parliament do must be approved by the political party. Adia yadi ya Jumama Ghana ni nano. Send this for the Koamho. Now one political way committee in the case ya nji way intuma. Even if it will help Ghana, the people in the parliament have to go and say no. And that is what they did. Nasebe, and yes, what's a betting tax in yet, meboa? Into Oba, Ube ye free. I said the owner says, how will you free? Unya revenue, the bedding, would be rule your man into no. Oh, shut up, a chicken on us. Now I'm saying, can you travel from the cocoa pun was a jubilee house or no? Mama, so a banu and child side, Mr. The travel from the because hey, and one over did you. Betting tax, and one year did and I will say, Ube you betting tax now, day, every ho. Mikacho said, this man has been handed the cheapest election ever because he didn't sell no message. On not just only 24 hours, he couldn't. What the best say a few more somewhere ye Kenya. Say ya probia sabe ebusuya sembisi. Ana say ebusuya who bika ni a person ye kono hokojiska. Usually it is the person who has been given custodian of the lands and the everything that the family has. People just what you say. And notice a BBC. As I said, the Ankayade Adiano Kessiana Shen and Sano. And Sanko Uyano. But you have NDC telling you that even though they have ruled Ghana than any other political party, they are the only political party that has been able to produce 3 presidents for us. No political party in Ghana has produced 3 presidents. They had Rawlings, they had J.E. Mills, and they had John Dramani Mahama. 3. And they have the power in their hands for all these while. But isn't it shameful, say your pagan glory days are, we shouldn't come to the NDC. It's when we are looking for Niama Papa, Ababua Ghana, a transform Ghana, we should not call NDC. Because almost, and I mean almost, every social intervention has been championed by the MPP. Unim dia ya wo ho. NDC na ya party ya friend Social Democrats. But on boa. And Social Democrat Collins simply means to say yene ya dwene ehia for den ho. It took America until Obama came, they didn't have a health system that benefited everybody. When Obama brought the Affordable Care Act, that is when they started having what we call Obamacare, like they like to say it. And as much as they have tried